shit. So why you mad, bro? I'm busy with my shopping list. So why
I guess we're live. Hey, what's up, everybody? I had to record this over again because my camera settings were jacked up and my microphone was too loud. Happy Sunday. This is how it sounds now. But anyways, gotta redo this again. Like I said, I'm dedicated. I want to bring you guys videos and keep being consistent. Maybe my old would say, just not even do it at all. Anyways, yeah, I just got done working out. Like I said earlier, it's 8 o'clock and I want to make a video before I leave for Japan. So I'm here right now making a video. And today I want to talk about fitness. Basically two things. And I get this asked a lot. When should you work out and do you need a gym membership? First I'm going to talk about, do you need a gym membership? You actually don't need a gym membership. When I went through my fitness journey, I worked out at home. We had a gym set and a rack. We had weights and had dumbbells. We had everything. The only reason why I went to the gym was either to do cardio or boost my confidence lifting with other guys. Because when you lift alone and you hit a plateau, you don't have much confidence. But when you go to the gym, there's other people and the gym guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the only reason why I would go to the gym. But other than that, it's kind of inconvenience for me now because I have so much things to do if I have to go to the gym and drive. So you guys don't need a gym. All you need is your body weight, your motivation, and maybe music. Just show up. People want a good body, but they don't want to show up to do the work. So you just got to be patient. It took me a while to actually see my gains. I was pretty overweight. Right now I carry more muscles than before. I'm fat right now. It's because I gained a lot of fat. Other than that, you just got to be consistent. The results will show. Just show up and just keep grinding. Just do it at home. Do push-ups, sit-ups, burpees, flutter kicks. There's a lot of things to do. Just look online. Don't be lazy. Just go look online. Second thing I want to talk about is how long do you have to be working out for? I recommend you guys work out for 45 minutes at the minimum to an hour. After an hour, your body needs to recover already. From my experience, working out 1 hour, 45 minutes to an hour with high intensity is more effective than working out for 3 hours, because there's a lot of new guys who are working out for 3 hours or 2 hours and they think they're gonna get those gains, but you make those gains outside of the gym. When you're in the kitchen eating, when you're resting, anything you do outside of the gym is where the results are made. Like I said, don't spend too much time in the gym. Just get your workout done, make sure you lift properly and you try to avoid any injuries and just work with intensity. Like I said, 2019, we're doing it big. We're hitting goals, be healthy. We're gonna stay healthy, dominate 2019. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Plan for the week and kill it. Peace.